Hi, my name is Carlos May. I'm the town manager for Speedway. I wanted to talk to you about the mask mandate that has been put in place by the Marion County Public Health Department and the Mayor of Indianapolis, and discuss how that's going to impact us here in Speedway. Starting July 9th, masks are going to be required all across Marion County. Now, more specifically, this requirement is going to be broken down into two categories: indoors and outdoors. So first off, indoor spaces other than your house. When you're inside a building other than your home, you're going to need to wear a mask. You can take it off if you're alone in a room, such as a one-person office, or if you can social distance within the office. But otherwise, you need to wear a mask at all times. Second, if you're outside of your home in a place where social distancing is not possible. So, for example, you're waiting in line to be seated at a restaurant. You need to wear a mask. There is a specific exclusion, so that if you are already seated at the restaurant and eating, you obviously do not have to wear your masks. But at all other times, you must wear it. That means upon arriving and exiting the establishment, you just need to put on the mask to walk through the building or the seating areas. Now, I want to make it clear that it is important for us that our residents understand the burden being placed on local businesses to enforce this rule. Marion County Health Department is responsible for ensuring that the citizens of Marion County are practicing mask use while in public. Their responsibility is to enforce the mandate. However, the mandate is placed heavily on individual businesses. So for example, if a business is reported to the health department for non-compliance, they can and will face fines and citations. This is why it's so important for our residents to understand why we are asking for your cooperation and support. When someone chooses to walk into a business without a mask, they're putting the business owner and their staff in the position to either refuse service to the customer or risk the consequences from the public health department. I and the rest of the town am asking the residents to please respect our local establishments, their owners, and their staff who are being put in this difficult position. Furthermore, we want our residents to feel safe in public and continue to remain healthy. Now, there's a lot of information and misinformation about the effectiveness or ineffectiveness of masks. Research has shown that masks can significantly reduce the risk of COVID-19 spreading from person to person. The safety measure and the threat of having to be under another stay-at-home order if COVID rates spike is the primary focus of the health department in their reasoning in requiring mask usage in public at this time. As such, free masks are being provided to all of Marion County residents. Now, this mandate is in place July 9th at 8 a.m. So after that point in time, if you wish to report a concern over mask usage, you can contact the Marion County Department of Health at 317-221-2000. Again, 317-221-2000. Any business experiencing a non-compliant customer that refused to leave the business after being told may call the Speedway Police Department at 317-246-4343. Now let me repeat this in plain language. If a business owner or employee asks you to leave and you choose not to leave because you do not want to wear a mask, you are now creating a public disturbance, and the police department can and will come and remove you from the property. So it's a simple choice. If you want to purchase something from that store and that store is asking you to wear a mask, please wear the mask, or just don't go buy something from that store. Now, with cases increasing across the country, we do need to remain vigilant to protect our residents and reduce the risk of facing another massive economic shutdown. We all want Speedway to remain a safe place to live and work. If it takes a little bit of discomfort to keep moving in the right direction, I hope that our residents are willing, able, and ready to make that small sacrifice for the time being. If you or someone you care for is experiencing signs of COVID-19 or you need more information about it or where to get tested, please visit www.indy.gov/COVID. Now, if you can't get on the internet or you have trouble navigating the city's website, you can always contact the Mayor's Action Center at 317-327-4622. Again, 317-327-4622 between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. to talk to a customer service representative. Now again, I want to repeat, this mandate was not put in place by the Town Council of Speedway or by myself, the Town Manager of Speedway. This was put into place by the Marion County Health Department and by Mayor Joe Hogsett in Indianapolis. As the county executive, Mayor Hogsett does have the authority to mandate this, and because we in Speedway are within Marion County, we must abide by it. So again, if you have any complaints about this policy, contact the health department. If you have any complaints about this policy, contact the mayor's office. If someone is breaking the mandate and you're a business owner and you want them to leave and they do not, contact Speedway Police Department. If you are in a business that does not require you to wear a mask, you can self-report that to the health department. They will come out and make that mandate enforceable by a fine or a penalty. Again, this was not put into place by us, but we here in the Town of Speedway want to make sure that we're doing all we can for our citizens, in addition to complying with lawful orders from the county executive. Other than that, I hope everybody stays safe. I hope everybody has a good time this summer. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and you would like to address them to me, please feel free to reach out to me at cmay@speedwayin.gov. Again, cmay@speedwayin.gov. Thank you for your time.